Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 303 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this BrowFood Aqua Brow Powder and Pencil Duo sample that I got from Ulta recently. And this seems like a very intriguing product. I've never heard of this before, never heard of this brand before. It says it's a powder to cream formula, and it contains conditioning serums to create that healthy brow look. And it comes in 5 shades. And today I'm going to be trying it in the shade Brunette. So I have just this little sample of the powder formula, but the full-size version does come with a pencil. It's double-sided and it retails for $25. This is such a cute little bottle, and it has this doe foot applicator. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna start applying this into my brows and we're gonna see what happens. So far, I feel like it's applying, actually I can't tell. I feel like it's applying like a powder, but I also kind of feel like it's applying like a more liquid formula. It's really easy to work with. It looks pretty natural. It has really nice pigment. That was really quick and easy to fill in my brow. But I feel like I didn't get to experience that powder to cream texture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it a little bit. Okay, so I'm seeing that it's coming off like a powder. Yeah, as I'm applying it to my hand, it's just like I'm applying it as a powder. It's like the texture of an eyeshadow powder. Is it supposed to melt in and become more cream-like? Wow, it's not smudging, and it does feel like it's a pencil now, like I had drawn on my hand with a pencil. That is really interesting. And this color is definitely buildable. Like, look at the difference in just a light amount compared to this one that I went over a bunch of times. So much darker and lighter, so it can be pretty versatile. For me personally, I think it looks a little better with it a little bit lighter. But so I want to feel, oh my gosh, it's not coming off of my finger as I'm touching it like I would expect a powder to do. And it is keeping my long, unruly brow hairs really tamed and in place as I'm brushing them. They're not moving. Wow. I do have a spoolie here, so I just want to finish it off by brushing through, finishing to blend it out. But wow, this looks so perfectly filled in, but natural. Like, you can still see that it's not just like a solid line of pigment. And I feel like I was able to get decent shape with this, but I do like that the full-size version comes with that pencil, because a lot of times when I fill in my eyebrows with a product, I do feel like I want to get more precise and exact and fill in a shape. So that's nice that they thought of that. Like, I personally would use this product today with a pencil. So that's probably what I'm going to do as I use up the rest of this sample, which I'm definitely going to do because I am really liking this product. And once I get through it, I may just decide to buy that full-size version. And especially how it's kind of like a 2-in-1, because it's basically like getting 2 products in that full-size version, because of the fact that you get that powder to fill in and that pencil. And that this powder to fill in is, or should I even call it a powder? I could say this cream to fill in. This formula that I'm using to fill in my brows right now is honestly one of my favorites I've ever used. It was so easy to work with, and I'm really liking these results. I feel like whenever I try a new eyebrow product, my second eyebrow comes out so much better after I've gotten the hang of it. So we'll just try and ignore the fact that these eyebrows are far from symmetrical right now. But all in all, really excited about this product. I love when I find out about not just a new brand, but a whole new type of product. Like, I've never tried a powder to cream formula before. This was so cool and I actually really like it, and I'm so pleasantly surprised. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this product before, how you liked it, if you have any tips on applying it, because it is a little bit different than what I'm sure most people are used to, but I feel like it's easy enough to work with. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.